Everybody loves a bargain. That's why retailers regularly promote sales. The word sale is a terrific hook that draws potential customers over the threshold. But when it comes to sales, the kitchen retailer has a problem. 9 times out of 10, he has no control over the cost price of the kitchen he's selling. Kitchen and component factories rarely offer a discount on their cost price. For those that do, it will usually be a small percentage point based on currency fluctuations or efficiencies in the manufacturing process. So what does a kitchen retailer do when he wants to offer a kitchen at a sale price? Well, he's got 2 options. Either cut his profit and suffer the consequences, or secretly raise the price and then slash it. Unfortunately, option 2 is more popular than it should be. So this is a case of buyer beware. Before you go into a kitchen showroom offering a sale, ask yourself a simple question. Is this offer too good to be true? If you think it is, walk away. If you still feel tempted to find out more, try asking the following questions to the salesperson. Question 1. What is the manufacturer's recommended retail price? Question 2. What price were you selling the kitchen before the sale? Question 3. Can you show me any old invoices? Sensitive info redacted, of course. Question 4. Can you introduce me to a previous client who's purchased a similar kitchen at a full price? The answers to those 4 questions will tell you all you need to know about the validity of the sale. The price you pay for a new kitchen is important, but this is your home we're talking about. When it comes to kitchen renovations, you need a team you can trust. If a kitchen retailer is prepared to lie to you about the price of your kitchen, what else are they going to lie about? You deserve better. So, if you want quality service and a quality kitchen, don't cut corners. Choose a company with a reputation for excellence and integrity to match.